Hello student, now we'll start the new chapter, statistics. Let's recall. Example. The numbers of pages of a book Ninad read for 5 consecutive days were 60, 50, 54, 46, 50. Find the average number of pages he read every day. Solution. Average is equals to sum of all scores upon total number of score, that is 60 plus 50 plus 54 plus 46 plus 50 upon 5. That is a 260 upon 5. If we divide it, then you will get 52. And therefore, the average number of pages read daily is 52. The average is also known as arithmetic mean or only mean. Now, let's learn what's new here. The number of pages read every day in above example is numerical data. The conclusion that Ninad read about 52 pages every day is drawn from the numerical data. In this way, collecting information regarding certain problem or situation, analyzing this information, and after interpretation, drawing the conclusion about it is a separate branch of knowledge. This branch is known as statistics. Now the arithmetic mean. We have seen that the average of 60, 50, 54, 46 and 50 is 52. The average is called as arithmetic mean or simply mean in statistical language. To find the mean of numerical data, we add all the scores in the data and divide the sum by total number of scores. Let's study some aspect of the method. See the following example. The marks obtained by 37 students of Standard 8 in a test of 10 marks are given below. Find the mean of the data. This is the data. Solution. If we go on adding the scores one after the other, it will take a lot of time. We know that the 7 is repeated 6 times, and if you do it, then you will get 7 into 6, and that is equals to 42. This simplifies the operation of addition when a number is to be added to itself. So, let us use the method and add the numbers by classifying them. Now see this, the example. This is the data. Marks, we'll make the table. First column marks, it is denoted by xi. Then the tally marks, number of the student, it's called the frequency and denoted by fi. And the last column is fi into xi, that is the frequency into marks. Now see this here, this data, this 2 is repeated single time, therefore tally is 1. Number of student, that is the frequency fi is 1, and their product, that is fi into xi. This is xi and fi, 2 into 1, that is 2. Now the next is 3. Again 3 is repeated a single time, one time, that is the tally is 1. Therefore the number of a student, frequency Fi is 1 and then Fi into Xi, that is 1 into 3, that is equals to 3. Next mark, that is 4, and 4 is repeated 5 times, and therefore the frequency is 5. And again the product Fi into Xi, 5 into 4, then you will get 20. Next mark, 5. 5's tally mark is 2. The frequency is 2. Again 2 into 5, 10. And in this way, you can count in this way, that is a 6. It's repeated 5 times. 5 into 6, 30. And you will get this table. That is a 9 is repeated 8 times. 8 into 9, that is equals to 72. 10 is repeated 4 times. 4 into 10, that is you will get 40. The total number of the students, we know that n is equals to 37. If we count it, then you will get 37. And the sum of this product, that is Fi into Xi, that is a summation Fi into Xi, that is equals to 259. Therefore, mean is equals to, and this is the formula, mean is equals to summation Fi into Xi upon n, capital N, and we know that the summation is a 259 upon 37, and if we divide it, then you will get mean is a 7. Now, what are the steps for this type of the example? Prepare a table as above and follow the steps to calculate the mean of a data. Write the scores in first column in ascending order. That is, first is x1, x2, x3, and in this way. Write the tally marks in the next column. Count the tally marks of the scores and write the frequency of the score, denoted by as Fi. Write the sum of all frequencies below the frequency column. The total frequencies is denoted by capital N. In last column, write the product Fi into Xi. The sum of Fi into Xi is denoted as summation, that is a sigma Fi into Xi. Indicate the sum. Arithmetic mean is denoted by X bar. Therefore, the mean X bar is equals to sigma Fi into Xi upon capital N. Now the example. The production of soybean per acre in quintal obtained by 30 farmers in Rajapur is given below. This is the total data. From the given data, prepare a frequency table and find the average production per acre of soybean. Now the solution data. Now the table, production per acre Xi, tally marks, number of farmers Fi, Fi into Xi. Now here 4 is repeated 3 times. Therefore the number of farmers is 3. 3 tally is here. 4 into 3, that's you will get 12. Next is 5. 5 is repeated 5 times. Okay, 5 into 5, 25. 5.5 is repeated 4 times. 4 into 5.5, that is a 22. 6 is repeated 3 times. 3 into 6, 18. 6.5 is repeated 2 times. That is a 2 into 6.5, that is a 13. 7.5 is repeated 4 times, and therefore 4 into 7.5, that is a 30. 8 is repeated 5 times. 5 into 8, 40. 9 is repeated 3 times. 3 into 9, 27. Therefore n is equals to 30. And the sigma Fi into Xi, that is equals to 195. And therefore the formula, mean X bar is equals to sigma Fi into Xi upon n. Therefore 195 upon 30, if we divide it, then you will get min x bar is equals to 6.5. And hence the average production of soybean per acre is 6.5 quintal. And in this way we have completed this example. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.